nails. I found these while I was hunting around in my holiday decor. If you haven't seen my Decorate With Me video, go over there and check that out. You won't be disappointed. It was such a great fun time, and everything is done and settled, and it just looks so fantastic. And a funny story, Angel actually got caught up in the web, so the web is more decorative now, so it just gives it a little bit of an added touch. I guess my dog is a designing guru. I don't know, she has the gothic homemaking talent, so good job for her. But right now we're going to be trying these press-on nails. I got them at the 99-cent only last year when they were on sale. These are supposed to glow in black light, but I don't have a black light, so can't tell you if they actually glow or not. But I love the designs. The designs got me. I was so attracted to them. They're so unique and beautiful. I'm just obsessed. And the collection is called Bad to the Bone, and definitely bad to the bone. These are from Sinful Colors Pro Nail Art Manicure. So we'll see about that. I don't ever use press-on nails because they're always a disaster. I hate them pretty much. I got these because you can't say no to these designs, okay? These are just so awesome, and I couldn't help myself, so I got them. I'm like, I'm going to try them. I don't care. It's like getting into Fort Knox with this thing. I guess you get a nail prep pad. The instructions are on the back. I already cleaned my hands. Okay, this is the nail prep pad. You get these sticker press-on things that look like your fingernail shape. You get a cuticle pusher and a little tiny file. Look how tiny that is. It looks like a toy. I know these are cheap, but like, come on. Okay, we're going to dive into these. They look so clear that you could easily lose these. I don't want to lose these. They feel so weird. I'm not going to lie, it feels like scales. We're going to do something similar to the nail art nail polish strips when you had to like prep your nails. We're doing the same thing with these ones as well. So, oh, it smells like alcohol though. These ones stink. Okay, the other ones do not stink. I remember that. We're clean and ready now. We're all prepped. Don't touch me, I'm sterile. So, we're going on to step 2, which is you choose an adhesive that covers your nail bed, and you peel away from the film sheet. Place sticky side on nail, then peel away top piece of film by pulling the tab. I'm going to choose this large one for my thumb. I don't see any kind of tab. Oh, it's very freaking clear. Okay. I get it now. Okay. So far, so good. That's what it looks like. Kind of creepy. We're going to choose, should have already done that, right? Our pattern. I think I'm going to use the eyeball because it's just something that you would put on your thumb because it's like so big. There has to be like a little tab for it to peel off, which is very faint. It's hard to find. Okay, got that strip off. Now we're going to put the nail right on our thumb. I think we got it. We got one so far. It seems pretty strong and sturdy though, I'm not going to lie. It feels a lot better than the other ones I've used in the past, but I feel like the adhesive is just not going to be super strong if you plan on being like really active, in my opinion. Don't do dishes, just don't really do too much. There's more in the bottom of here, but I'm going to start out with these ones first because it just looks easier to do. And they're pretty much already pre-arranged. And I really like the pattern that's right here already, so why not? I want to have like a cool you know, look going on. I think it's so complicated when you're trying to figure out what nail shape you are. Like, as if I even try to look at that on a daily basis. This tab is coming off before the actual nail. Oh, it's all sticky and gluey. Ew. It is what it is. It was already trying to come off, so you know what? We're just going to make it happen. I'm going to grab the lovely vampire fanged lip situation going on right here. And I love that. That is badass. We're going to press it for 10 to 15 seconds. Hopefully it'll stay. The thumb is actually doing pretty well so far. I don't see any cracking. A lot of them have like this separation going on in the cuticle. So far this one is pretty sturdy and it's not going anywhere, but I'm still afraid. I'm having like Vietnam flashbacks of like other times I used press-on nails and they'd fall off. It was just not a good look. This one seems to be sturdy. I'm afraid of like filing these. I'm afraid like the friction of the file will just make them come off. I don't feel very confident. I think I seen these at Walmart recently, so I might have to go in to Walmart and swoop some of these up because you know what? I think I'm feeling these. Now I know what I'm doing and it's becoming a lot easier to figure out what I want. I'm going to do the skeletal hand. I wonder if I can take this. Nope, can't take it off. It is what it is. This one feels really tight. I think I have the wrong finger on, but whatever. You know what? You get it. You can have fun with the finger. These are coming out really nicely so far. I'm really enjoying this. This is probably going to be a short video, but I like doing these like nail art type of like nail videos. This is the season of nails. Let's just say that. I have many more nail videos to come. This is the first one to kick off all the spooky nails that we have. I really want them to last, you know. I don't want them to just be junk and fall off. I want them to actually be on. I don't want costume nails. I want something here and to stay. I wish I had a black light to see how well these would work and how like vibrant they would be. I think I'm going to add the eyeball to my pinky. Kind of have like a pattern going on. I found the pinky and the brain. You guys remember that? I don't know why now I'm thinking about that. Pinky and the brain. What a show. If the eye was green, it would remind me of the Jacksepticeye eye. Top of the morning to ya laddies. I wish he would say that again. I miss when he would actually say that. Now he has ding 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 Irish noises. Now I'm just like, I don't know. I know, weird tangent, but I wish these were green so I could be like tagging Jacksepticeye. I don't know, I think they would be a lot cooler if they were green so you can be like, hey, I have Jacksepticeye nails. I think that'd be fun and cool. It'd be great for his fans too, to like have something cool on their nails. That is one hand done. I'm loving it. We are going to do the next hand. I think I'm going to do the same pattern, like why not? Oh, it's going to be harder now because I have this hand. Oh god, I didn't even think about that. This turned into a nail challenge video real fast into it. I think it might be a little bit too big. I don't know if we can get that one off. We shall see. I'm not trying to get that off. It is like super glue. Not even lying. It is on there for sure. Should leave these out beforehand. That would have been a smart idea. I'm not that smart. We're on the hunt for a fingernail now. I totally forgot that Jay was asleep behind me because he was like more quiet than usual. I have my candle lit in the background, the vampire blood candle from Bath and Body Works from last year, and I'm living because I don't have to buy another one and it's still really scented. And now my nails match my candle. Okay, it's all full circle and I'm like obsessed now. Oh no, I did it wrong. Switch, switch, switch. Okay, okay. Oh, I was about to put it upside down. I suck at these. I'm not good at all. Okay, I'm going to take off this one and then use a whole new strip because I found a much more better size for my finger. This one fits a lot better and it's more size appropriate. So, finally found the right one. My God. I might have to change the thumb one, I think, because that one is just a little bit overbearing. I think I found my correct sizing, so I'm going to go along with this new one that I found and hope for the best with that because there's not too many sizes here. I think it'll fit a lot more comfortably on my thumb. The other one was kind of like digging into my cuticle, so I have to change that pronto. Who knew it was going to take so much effort? I thought it was going to be like quick, simple, easy, like bam, right? But no. Okay, we got one that actually fits now and it's comfortable. We don't have to go back and redo it, which is nice. We're on the last nail, which is the pinky nail. Pinky one is like so hard to do for some reason. Like, you don't need to be that difficult. You just don't. I'm like actually happy with the way they're turning out. I'm really impressed with these press-on nails so far. I will keep you guys posted on social media. I might even leave a comment down below, keep you guys updated, like how well these ones will stay, and you know, if you can actually do things with these. Oh, you have to actually add cuticle oil to these to get these off, so you know, these might stay on for like a long time. No wonder they give you a little wooden cuticle thing here. You're going to have to pick these off once they're done and dry down and settled. I'm just like, you had to put work into putting them on, and now you have to put in work taking them off. I don't even think I have cuticle oil, so they're so pretty and beautiful, very spooky, very glamorous. They're not too long, they're just long enough, and I'm really impressed with these. I have to say, I really love these. I wish I had a black light to show you how well they would look in a black light setting. I'm disappointed, but you know what? Even regular, they look so beautiful. Like, you can just go out and just have some beautiful, fun nails and be the talk of the town, and probably someone will see your nails. Like, these are made to impress, for sure. And you know what? With spooky season here, these are definitely going to impress. I love the pattern. I love the creativeness of these, and they'll go good with like pretty much any spooky outfit, which is amazing. You can get your funky spooky self going with some funky spooky nails. I am just living this whole like Halloween spooky nails fantasy. If you find these or any of the Pro Art manicure sets from Sinful Colors, swoop and pick them up. No joke. If you see them at the 99 cent only, pick these ones up for sure. Pick them up. And they'll tell you like all the instructions on the back, so if you see these kind of instructions like to tell you like, you know, to prep your nails and everything, these are the ones to get. I want to thank all of you for watching my Sinful Colors Bad to the Bone press-on nail review. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a huge thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you've tried the Sinful Colors Halloween press-on nails or any of their collections, and what were your thoughts on them? I would really love to hear from you down below in the comment section. While you're here, why not subscribe? It's free. by pressing that notification bell, you too will be notified when the newest, latest videos are posted every Wednesday and Saturday, so please be on the lookout for those uploads. Follow me on all my social media so you're notified when the newest video is posted. If you haven't pressed that notification bell, I don't know why you haven't, so get to it. Press the notification bell, but if you haven't, it's all on social media, so check out everything down below, along with the coupon codes and affiliate links, so you can get some great steals and deals and products that I've actually used and tried. And yes, I do get some monetization, some moolah, if you check out and purchase anything from the link. So go down there, you won't be disappointed. I have my Avon shop available listed down below, so you can get some great products from the comfort of your own home and get all the essential products that you need. So check out the link down below. I'd be happy to be your representative. I'd be very grateful and appreciative of that. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. You see what I did there with my finger? You next time. Goodbye, everyone.